Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. All common Ahmadis, I want you to pay attention. Wallahi, we have nothing but mercy, compassion, and good wishes for you. We are here for you. We are here for you, the common Ahmadis. I hope you're watching and listening. These people will disown you on the Day of Judgment. You will answer the questions on the Day of Judgment. Be very clear in your minds. These people are not owning any belief that is in their books. Any belief Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani put down in his books, they are not willing to own it. We have repeatedly asked them, own these beliefs. What is your position on these beliefs? None of these people they are quoting, Ibn Arabi, Shah Waliullah, Ibn Taymiyyah, or Ashraf Ali Thanvi Sahib, Rahmatullahi alayhim, all, may Allah have mercy on all of them. Every single one of their quote is a misquote or misrepresentation. It's either a misquote or it's a misrepresentation of the quote. Okay, and they want us to go down the route of defending all of them one by one so that they can run away from the debate, so that they don't have to answer questions about their own beliefs. What is your fatwa? You claim all these things on the part of all these big people you mentioned. We say any one of them who believes that they are Muhammad Rasulullah, they are kuffar. They are disbelievers. If any one of them said, I am Rasulullah after Muhammad Rasulullah, he's a kafir. Anyone who believes in him is a kafir. Anyone who teaches this is a kafir. Okay? Open, clear fatwa. What more do you need from us? Because we know you're misrepresenting every single one of those individuals so that you don't have to own your beliefs, so that you don't have to give the same fatwa. What is your fatwa about a person who says that looking at the face of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is looking at the face of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Fatwa. What is your fatwa on the person being buried in the feet of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is like being buried in the feet of Muhammad Rasulullah like Umar and Abu Bakr? What is your fatwa? Anyone who claims that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is Muhammad Rasulullah like Kalimatul Fasl. Bashir Ahmad M.A., he wrote that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is Muhammad Rasulullah. That's why we Khud Rasulullah. So if anyone who believes this, what do you say? We say he's a kafir. We say such a person is a kafir and mal'oon. What do you say about this? Come to the actual crux of the matter. Stop quoting people we don't have to defend. They are not our musallamat. People can write all sorts of things. They can write their visions, their opinions. We don't have to own them. I'm not going to go defending 1,000 people and their mistakes and their errors. Oh, sometimes you misrepresent them. I'm not going to defend your misrepresentation of their quotes.